the breathing earth. The roots remember you. Before your first word, forest whispered your name. I speak from the marrow of stone and seed. Earth is older than sorrow, softer than mercy. Every creature is a syllable in Earth's long hymn. Erase one, and the hymn unravels in silence.
Erase many, and mountains forget their shape. The bee carries spring's quiet, hidden song.
Its wings turn the season like a sacred wheel. Without its journey, the harvest cannot wake.
In its stillness, storms learn gentleness.
Worms carve breathing paths for living soil. Algae gather sunlight to nourish the rivers.
Microbes guard the colors of ancient forests.
These are gears of the world's hidden clock.
Break one, and time tilts out of truth.
A forest of many voices stands unshaken.
Diversity is not abundance. It is balance. Family. No two beings share strength.
Together they stand where alone they break.
Forests hold soil through every heavy rainfall. They lift moisture for clouds wandering above. They cradle rivers, trembling from rising heat. Yes, child, the earth grows weary. Old bones ache beneath rising heat. The planet seeks shoulders strong enough to rest. Those shoulders are forests you forget to greet.
75 harvests in every 100 come from bees. Each flight is a prayer for tomorrow's bowl.
If bees fall silent, fields will fall still. Who will awaken blossoms into fruit then?
Medicine is born not only from human hands.
It rises from leaves, dreaming along riverbanks.
It hums in genes of forgotten mountain herbs. Lose them, and unwritten remedies vanish.
Lose them, and centuries unborn disappear. The cycle continues.
Soil holds memory deeper than science knows.
When lingfish vanish, the river loses pulse.
When birds fall silent, dawn loses soul.
When bamboo disappears, mothers lose evening hearth.
Biodiversity saves more than landscapes alone.
It rescues the childhood, wandering through green. It rescues the voices born from rivers.
It keeps stories we thought small, forever alive.
And even if there is no reason, life is still worth living.
A falling leaf greets time in soft grace.
It softens the human heart before it hardens. Guarding biodiversity means guarding sacred breath. It protects tomorrow's color, waiting to bloom.
Every glow in darkness is a life's small defiance.
A single seed is a promise made to time. Roots carry futures even mountains cannot carry.
Rivers remember every creature that touched their path.
Every life is bound to life beside it. Even a raindrop carries a lineage of storms. A world endures only when all stand together.
Even the smallest leaf carries Earth's oldest vow.
The vanished do not return once their name fades.
Each fading voice dims the world's sacred choir. Yet every hand remembers how to protect.
Life answers quickly when given even small mercy. It's a living word. Guard the living world as you guard breath.
For breath is not yours alone. It is royal. It is shared.
Every thread of life anchors the tapestry of the future. Protect it until tomorrow will still know the color. And the living earth will remember you kindly.
The forest still loves. Wanderer, please return.